Hi everyone, I'm Chris Manzini, and welcome to Food for Thought, a new series where we sit down with some of PepsiCo's top leaders for real, insightful conversations. To kick things off, we have a very special guest today, our chairman and CEO, Ramon Laguarta. Let's jump in.
Let's go.
We talk a lot about 2030 strategy. Like, do we start there or do we start where we are today? And the reality is we don't have to choose because everything we're doing today sets us up for then, right?
I'm super excited about this 2030 strategy. It's because it's focused on growth. Actually, we call it hungry and thirsty for growth. There's three things we're like big pillars of the strategy. One is fortifying North America. The second one is capturing the big growth we have in international. And the third pillar is the away from home business. And those are the three big pillars of the strategy. The opportunity is great and we have a high right to succeed.
You just laid out a really clear structure for how we can all think about growth. Let's double click on a few of those things as we talk about it.
Makes sense.
We've got naked Doritos here.
I love this one here.
So a lot of change in our portfolio, a lot of innovation. What are you most excited about?
The last year has been incredible. Big brand relaunches like Lay's or Tostitos, talking more about the food, talking more about the ingredients. Clearly, the consumer is telling us we want more nutritional density, or I want more functionality with my food and my drink. So protein, fiber, prebiotics, powders. We're taking bold moves.
Yeah.
I like it.
So one of the other pivots you talked about was away from home and meals.
Yeah.
What are some of the things that you saw either as an opportunity that we have as a company or an insight in terms of consumer behavior that's driving us towards meals?
More and more food occasions and beverage occasions are happening away from home. Snack and meals are merging or blurring. Those two are big opportunities for us to innovate against it.
That's hugely exciting.
Thank you very much, Chris. I really enjoyed the conversation, and let's have a just cheer with a Pepsi prebiotic. Cheers. And enjoy our naked Doritos. Yeah.
Thank you.